We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR Release Test Questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab, and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 21. Which Venn diagram best represents the relationship between set Q, rational numbers, and set Z, integers? To find the answer, we need to understand the differences between rational numbers and integers. A rational number is any fraction with non-zero denominators. Examples: 1 over 2, 2 over 3, and so on. An integer is a number with no decimal or fractional part, and it includes negative and positive numbers, including 0. Examples: -3, 0, 1, 3, 10, and so on. A and B are incorrect. C is the correct answer because rational numbers include all integers. Question number 22. A teacher bought sets of books at a cost of $17.95 per set. The teacher also paid a one-time shipping fee of $22. Which table shows the relationship between the total cost of the books and the number of sets of books the teacher bought? Let's set X as the number of sets of books the teacher bought. Then total cost of the books is equal to 17.95 times X plus $22 shipping fees. Option F, X equals 16 on row 1, then total cost is equals 17.95 times 16 plus 22 equals 309, $20. Hence, option F is not correct. G is also incorrect. J is the correct answer. Question number 23. Two customers spent the same total amount of money at a restaurant. The first customer bought 8 hot wings and left a $4 tip. The second customer bought 10 hot wings and left a $2.80 tip. Both customers paid the same amount per hot wing. Let's set X as the cost of one hot wing. We have 8x plus 4 equals 10x plus 2.80. To solve this equation, we got x equals 0.60. Hence, 0.60 is the correct answer. Question number 24. The scatter plot shows the relationship between the number of games a baseball team won in a season and the number of hours the team practiced each week during the season. Based on the scatter plot, which is the best prediction of the number of games a baseball team won if the team practiced 3 hours each week during the season? Based on the scatter plot, the 3 hours of practice corresponds to around 13 games won. Therefore, H is the correct answer.